Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to solve this compare the triplets problem using Python. So let me explain about the problem statement first. So any problem in a competitive programming can be reviewed based on the three parameters. First one is clarity of that particular problem. Then the second one is originality from where this problem has been taken and the difficulty of the problem. Okay, so difficulty level of the problem. So there were two young guys, one is Alice and the one is a Bob, and these two guys have developed a problem. Now as a reviewer, you as a reviewer should rate this problem based on these three parameters like clarity, originality and difficulty level. So let's say I am the reviewer and Alice had developed a problem. So I have given him the marks 3 to 1, 3 for the clarity, 2 for the originality, 1 for the difficulty level. In a similar way, for the Bob, I have given as 1, 2, 3, 1 for the clarity of the problem and second is originality and difficulty as a 3. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to print out these values like which is having which is having the more values here. So let's say I am comparing this allies, let's say allies as A, Bob as B. Now A of 1 with B of 1 and that value here A of 1 will be more, that means 3 is more than 1, so I'll keep it as 1. So here if you see the output is like this. Okay, this triplet where first index will denote the values of A more than B and the second index will denote the values of B which is more than A. Okay, so if you compare 2 by 2, A of 2 with B of 2 both are same, so no value. And if compare A of 3 that is 1 with B of 3 that is 3, then Bob will receive the point, so the output will be like 1. So let me take another example. Similarly for Alice the value is like this. I have given 6, 3 and 1. Okay, and for the Bob I have given something like 1, 2 and let's say 1, 4 and uh, 1, 4 and 6. Okay, like this I have given. So the output will be like 6 is more than 1, so Alice will get 1 point. 3 is more than 4, is it? No, so Bob will get 1. Then 1 is less than the 6, so here the Bob will get 1 more point. So Alice will be 1 and Bob will be 2 for the second index and for the third one. Okay, so this is the output. I hope it's clear now. So with this problem what we are going to learn, we are creating this list here. Okay, so creating the list we are going to learn, and also to solve this index by index what we need to do, we need to iterate over the list. So even that we are going to learn, and once we got that value we need to append it to the a list, right? So even that we are going to learn with this problem. So let me get started here directly. I have taken one. Now you can see I have taken one problem, so I'm implementing here. I've taken two lists, one for the Alice, one for the Bob. So if you see here, A is for Alice, B is for Bob. Now what we need to do, we need to iterate over the list, then only will come to know. Okay, so for iteration what I'll do is I'll take for loop here I in. So how many elements are there here? So that I'll come to know with the help of length. I know the fact that length of A and length of B will always be same here, so I'm using 1, that would be enough. Now using the range I'll be looping over this one. Okay, now at each index let me try to uh, get that each index. So here use this a of I will be like index at, let's say I value is 1. So so a of 1 I can get. In a similar way I can get b of 1. Okay, so that means b of I. Now if a of I more than b of I, so to do that I am using if here. If a of I more than b of I, what you need to do, you need to compare that. So I'll use like alias. So let's say a value, that means alias values. As of now I'm assigning to 0. Then here a value is equal to a value plus 1. So this a value is nothing but alias values. So I'm just keeping track of alias values. In a similar way I need to keep track of bob values as well. So I'll take b value which is equal to 0. Okay, so if this is not equal, then I have one more condition, maybe b value, that means bob value will be more, right? So for that I'll be using something like this. Now I'll use b value is equal to b value plus 1. Okay, simple. Now once I have everything, what I need to do, I need to print on the I need to print it as a list here, right? So for that I'll use something like res empty list I have created as of now. Then I'll simply use this res dot append whatever the a value is there, that means alias values are there, I'm appending now. In a similar way I'm going to append for both values as well. So b value. Now let me try to print it, this one rgs. So let me save this once. Now run this invalid syntax. Okay, this is, that is just for reading purpose only, right? So let me remove these comments. I don't need this semicolon as well. Now let me run this. Now you can see we got 0 and 3. Is that? So if you see here, no, it should not be that, right? Because in the first case Bob is having, yeah, third only, right? Because in this first case Bob is getting the first point, second index also Bob is getting, third index also Bob is getting, so it should be 0 of 3. Okay, this thing what I'll do is I'll simply copy these lines, because in this statement they are asking us to implement this single line only. Okay, this single line, this single statement only, this single method only they are asking us to implement. So I have created something like this. So let me append properly here. Okay, I'll do one thing. Because in Python, right, this is, we should be really careful with the syntax. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me try to run it and see what is the issue we'll get. Let me return this RGS. I should not get anything because, let's see. Okay, return RGS. I think it is more to do with syntax only. So guys, now you can see I have adjusted this properly. So here for loop ending, then I am appending, then I am returning. Okay, so if I try to run this code, I should get it properly. Yes, then let me submit this. Now you can see we got it for the all the scenarios. So I hope it's informative for you guys. Do subscribe to my channel and do watch all the tutorials in a playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.